Today I'm going to show you excellent and easy exercise that you can practice daily that will help you to get connected with your emotions and actually get connection between your techniques and emotions, because we are very much connected with the beatbox world. We know everything about the techniques, about the styles, like all the new sounds we collectively learn, new kind of a snare, new kind of a drop. We all are interested in all of this, but everything of it is outside world. And if you want to develop your own sound, your own style, your own material, and all of those three things are needed if you want to pursue a career in a beatboxing, this exercise will help you with that, to get connected with your own inner emotions and connect them with your techniques. So I'm gonna play 4 chords, super easy, and let's just listen to them and see what we are feeling while listening. So for me, the feeling is quite warm, quite sentimental, mixture of sweet and sour. It's like very nice, warm memory of previous summer. Not everything was perfect, but it's warm and nice. It's like good memories of people, and some mistakes were made, but it's all good and fun. And it's like romantic, sentimental feeling, like a mixture of happy and sad, but overall good feeling. So I will try to beatbox to those sounds, and I'm gonna try to incorporate my sounds. So I will try to join the feeling of those notes with my beatbox. Okay, so I will try to really focus on what I'm feeling while listening to those notes while doing my beatbox. So first of all, I'm not beatboxing over too loud, quite whispery style, and very a gentle sound, not too crisp, not a lot of attack. So the sounds are not aggressive, sounds are quite calm, because I'm really focusing on emotions that I feel. So I feel calm, I feel steady, and also I feel quite vulnerable. So I'm not making a beat that's gonna make me feel like I'm the best in the world. I'm just allowing myself to be part of those notes. So being vulnerable and listening to notes, how they really sound, and being part of it, it's really, really cool. So now we know these notes, we kind of are in we're in synergy with those notes, we are hearing them correctly. So let's do a little bit of humming in the first part of the beat, okay? First, you can do this humming with the little whisper to find those notes, but later try to do normal hum so it won't damage your voice. And really try to concentrate on whatever you feel in your chest, in your head, or in your belly, in your gut, because feelings are here. So if you feel sad or irritated or happy or romantic, just try to hold on to this feeling, and you can even go deeper, what's behind this feeling, why I'm feeling like that. Okay, so let's try it. So when I say go deeper, that's a very interesting thing, because we are reaching kind of going to subconscious, and we're going to talk about this stuff in the later lessons. And the beat you're choosing to make is your own, but also if that's a little bit difficult to invent a beat to these notes, you can try just kick, hi-hat, rim shot, hi-hat. All right, so really good to do it like this, because the less you do sounds and the more you feel stuff while doing them, it's gonna give you more benefit. And the purpose of this exercise is to really get connected with you, because we are living in this world when we are non-stop comparing ourselves to other people. And of course that's natural, but it's a little bit overload with comparing ourselves, because we have those Instagrams, YouTubes and Facebook and TikToks and everybody posting so much content. And I'm happy because we have this free promotion as an individual artist, and it's really amazing. But to really, like, your job is to show your own world, to go deep and take responsibility of your own sound, your own feelings, and make your own material. And to really, first step of it is to get in touch with your own creativity, with your own world, with your own feelings. And I think it's a really good training. And you can feel, if you have this feeling like, oh, I will not do it because it's too easy. Yes, it's quite easy, but try to do it like a couple of days in a row, 5 minutes. Just, see what you're feeling. Like, see what you feel and allow yourself to go deep in it. And you will see that you will change the way you approach your beatboxing. What does it mean? Because sometimes we are so much in the technical realm, only thinking about how to, like we a lot of times we are thinking about beatboxing as a sport, because that's the most popular way of beatboxing. The beatbox battle right now on internet, it's the most popular thing, right? But as an artist, it's not always about the technicality. You can really do something magical only with your appearance, only with your vibe. And I think perfect example is Rips One, that when he goes on stage, there's something magical there. And why he can do it? Because he's connected with his, inner world, inner demons, inner angels, whatever, how you want to call it. So I wish you good luck, because I think it's a super healthy way of training. And I will try to give you more and more this kind of lessons. Take care.